So, unless you've been living under a rock, you probably saw last night that the United States, led by Trump, bombed 3 sites in Iran which they believed were involved in developing nuclear weapons. Now, regardless of your political affiliation or beliefs, a lot of people are understandably worried about what this means for the markets. But listen, if you're new to our channel, hear me clearly. This will have no long-term impact on the markets. The biggest issue facing the markets right now is overvaluation. Eventually, there will be a spark that causes investors to suddenly start caring about valuations again. Could this be that spark? Maybe. But in the short run, we just don't know what will drive the market. Said it 1,000 times. In the short run, the stock market is a voting machine. In the long run, it's a weighing machine. If I recall correctly, when tensions between Israel and Iran escalated, the market started the day down, but ended either flat or even slightly up. The truth is, nobody knows what will happen in the short term. In fact, I texted my team and said, $100 to anyone who can correctly guess the percentage change of the NASDAQ tomorrow. If someone told me it would be down 5%, I'd believe them. If they said up 2%, I'd believe that too. I have no idea. And honestly, I don't care. And neither should you. What should matter is, what are you buying? How are you buying it? Are you buying at a price that makes sense? If you're dollar cost averaging into low cost ETFs, keep doing it. And hope the markets drop at some point so you can buy cheaper shares, especially if you have decades until retirement. I love this chart and I show it on every channel we have. It's the S&P 500 going all the way back to 1950. Look at it, just moving up and up. And those little dips, those represent countless world events, most of which we don't even remember, but each time the world recovers. Markets go down temporarily, and then they recover. Economies get better. That's what you have to remember. That's the mindset you need. Long-term optimism grounded in valuation. Now, are we at good valuations today? No. We're more than 100% overvalued by the most reliable metrics. Yes, I can justify higher valuations compared to 100 years ago due to structural changes, but still a great company at the wrong price is a bad investment. As for Iran, we don't know what's going to happen. Are we headed toward full-scale war? God, I hope not. I really don't think that benefits anyone. And it's not about politics. I voted for Trump in the last election, but I believe war is a bad idea. We already have massive deficits. Debt is ballooning. This will only make things worse. We'd be spending money we don't have on a war we don't need. Let's take a step back and look at historical events. September 11th didn't cause the market crash. It happened during a bubble, and the market continued down because of valuations. Ironically, the Iraq War marked the start of the market bottoming because valuations improved. So again, if you made it this far, here's a challenge. In the comments, predict the Nasdaq's percentage change for Monday, June 23rd at the close. I'm not looking for round numbers, I want detail. For example, 1.23% or 2.30%. Closest guess wins either $100 via Venmo Zelle or 6 months free access to our Everything Money software. Say this enough. In the last 5 years alone, we've had COVID, inflation, soaring interest rates, and countless global crises. And guess what? We got through all of it. It wasn't as bad as feared. The world shut down during COVID and we still recovered. So stay focused on the long run. That's what we're here for, to help you stay grounded and focused on what truly matters, valuation. Even if no one seems to care right now, thanks for your time. And again, drop your NASDAQ prediction in the comments.